Hello. Welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a bootable macOS USB on Windows PC. The download link to all the tools used in this tutorial will be left in the video description below. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now, to receive notification when we release new videos. First, you need to download the macOS image file that will be used to create the USB. The image file we will be using is the raw image file. This is because it contains partition table, unlike the ISO image that does not have a partition table. Go to the website to grab your desired macOS image version. For this tutorial, we shall be using macOS Sonoma 14.1.1 version, and we will download the raw image of it. After downloading your desired macOS image version, open the BalenaEtcher software. Click on Flash from File. Select the macOS raw image that you downloaded and click Open. Select your USB stick. Click Flash button. Wait for the process to complete. Open MiniTool Partition Wizard. Select your USB disk from the list. Right-click on the EFI partition. Click Change Letter. Click OK and your EFI partition will be mounted. Right-click on Explorer++ and select Run as Administrator. Copy your EFI folder. Open the EFI partition of your USB stick. Delete the existing EFI folder. Paste your new EFI folder. Now your USB drive is ready for macOS installation. You can now use the USB drive to perform macOS installation on your Hackintosh PC or VMware workstation. If this tutorial has helped you, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.